Hi guys, Barry here. I'm the new sales rep at Adventure Air, and we have a super deal for you today. AutoGyro, the world's largest gyroplane manufacturer, is about to produce its 2000th MTO Classic. It's going to be in the US just in time to help you build it at AirVenture in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, the last week in July 2023. It's going to be loaded with everything you need to fly, plus a Bigfoot kit with Tundra tires and extra cooling for those off-airport adventures. It'll be painted in a very cool mallard green satin finish with mountain graphics on the sides. And we're offering it at a special discount. Regular price would be nearly $85,000 for this gyro, but your price is only $74,850 plus tax. We'd love to have you come to Oshkosh so our 5 master builders can help you assemble this one-of-a-kind MTO Classic. There's only going to be one 2000th, so if you want it, better hurry. Email us at info@adventureairla.com or give us a call at 310-570-9390.
Hey guys, Henry from Adventure Air here, and today is an exciting day. We're going to paint the Frankenstein gyro. We are super excited about it. It's going to be really, really fun. And we brought in a master painter. My buddy Roger is a super painter. He paints everything in the world, and he's going to put the Raptor liner on our Franken gyro. So let's see what happens, shall we? A lot of you guys are asking what color are we going to paint it. We're going to go black with the Velociraptor. Arr, Velociraptor paint. No, this is truck bed liner is actually what it is. Puts a cool little coating on it, and so we're going to paint the whole thing with the Raptor protective coating. And no, we are not sponsored by them, by the way. We're just giving it a try. So let's see what happens. All right, so we got a touchy spot right here. When we add this hardener to the paint, we have a very limited time to get going. So this is going to be a quick operation. Go ahead, Maestro.
Okay.
I think we're good. Okay. Or actually go forward and then we'll look later. Okay, right back there.
All right, Walter, when I get it up a little bit, can you push on the bottom? Yeah! Nice. You can wipe that down. We need to wipe that off a little bit with the dust.
Yeah, I didn't do it regularly.
machine.